So I'm flying out to Colorado Springs for the Space Symposium, not just to sightsee, but to uncover exactly which space companies are about to move the markets. Some will explode over time, others I'm shorting them. And these are the real trades that I'll be showing live inside of StockMate this week. And guess what? This trip was triggered by you. So our channel hit a new engagement milestone, and I'm bringing the value right back to you guys. But the sale that we've got running for StockMate, it ends this week. So if you want in on these live trades and this week's targets, hit that second link below before it closes. Now, let's take a look at some of the companies that we're going to be watching closely at this event. One of the main ones that I want to cover. So luckily, we're going to get to go to this event for free because we got sponsored essentially. We got offered to go on behalf of the symposium. It was about a $3,200 ticket value, which is really awesome. And it's all because of you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing. So let's take a look at some of the space tech companies that we'll be watching. Some of the ones that we know will be there. We got KULR. We'll be watching them as they've recently started to push up the past year. So KULR is one that has surged from 20 cents up to basically $5.50 and recently sold off. They're a company that specializes in space battery tech. They got partners with NASA, Lockheed Martin, and they also got that rideshare mission. So we'll watch KULR. The other company that we'll be looking to get some insights in here is BlackSky. That company has recently been really volatile, selling down big. There was one significant downturn in 2022. Do you remember that? That was rising interest rates. There was also one, let's see, 2013. And we haven't seen them fully correlated with some of the larger financial crashes, but I wanted to bring that up because we have seen the market sell off. I'd like to get some macroeconomic looks at these companies at this conference, so we'll be doing that. One of the other companies, ASTS, we know that they've been creating technology that can allow you to connect from your phone to the satellites up in space. And we'll also be looking at Rocket Lab as well. So Rocket Lab was on a trend up to $33. Recently sold back down to $15, and it's at this 200-day moving average. Now, all these companies is an interesting time because I'm actually going to be primarily looking at which of these space companies build a lot of their stuff in-house. We know Rocket Lab does, to look at KULR to see where they're getting their materials. These are the types of questions that I'm going to be asking because tariffs could play a role in that. And the companies that are US based and manufacture in the US will most likely see a stronger headwind during this time, and they'll see more growth in the coming years. So that's something that we're going to watch closely with the space tech, and we're going to give you guys the full breakdown. So from a standpoint of opportunities, we have some shorts in the market, and we have a couple ones that are doing quite well, especially SPXS. That's not space tech, that's general market. But we'll be looking to see if any opportunities present themselves tomorrow at Market Open. One of the special things about being in the market today is that you get to have a wider history to look at the market. So when we look at the market now, we can identify lucrative opportunities that are only identifiable today because of the past market changes and conditions that we've seen. And today it looks as if the market will have some turbulence and it's going to have a rougher time in this recovery. And that's part of the value that we can get out of our trading and investing. By knowing the trends and seeing the direction, we can capitalize on some of the moves and short the market in some of these instances. And also during this time, identify which stocks overreact and will be great buying opportunities right now. So again, we'll be watching opportunities at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time at Market Open tomorrow. If you want to join us live, there's a huge sale. It's not getting better than this. It's that second link in the description to watch me trade live. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we head out to Colorado. Take care.